Welcome to another tip of the day brought to you by Captain Chris Yacht Services. What are these things? I'll tell you what they used to be. They used to be one of these. So this is the impeller that goes inside of your raw water pump. That's what a whole healthy one looks like. And that's what it looks like when they all fall apart. So now, where do those things go? And how do you get them out? Well, usually they will go downstream into a heat exchanger like this. Let me hold this up and you can see all of the tubing inside of there. So all of these pieces that are shed off of your raw water pump get pumped downstream. I'm doing this with one hand, so feel sorry for me. So they all go in here, and now you can see you barely have any water flow through there because they're blocking the water flow. So here in our garage workshop in Vero Beach, I can shake them all out. And you can see I can shake them all out of this honeycomb of tubes right here. But on your boat, you're going to have some tweezers, very long tweezers to pull these out. So last thing to keep in mind when you're working on your pump like that is you also have these little bolts, screws or bolts like this. And since it's on a boat, they're made out of stainless steel or bronze. So if you drop these into the bilge, cannot use a magnet to find them, you need to actually get down there and hunt for them and find them to bring them back up so you can put your pump back together. So if you want to learn more about the cooling systems aboard your boat, the raw water cooling systems, the pumps, and also the heat exchangers with the honeycomb tubes in the shell heat exchanger, come join us for our classes in Vero Beach this September 2023 and October 2023. If you have any questions, look us up or give us a call. Ask Captain Chris.